Brokers play an important role in forex trading because they are the crucial link between you, the trader, and the forex markets. They make profits through investors like you and me and give us an opportunity to speculate in the volatile forex markets. They make money through spreads, and spread is the difference between the bid and the asking price for a currency pair. The second method they make their money through is through commissions and also swaps. And not all brokers use this commission and swap. You should select the brokers that have zero or less commissions and swap. Some of the key factors that you should select while choosing the best broker to trade with is they should have a high capitalization level. A high capitalization level means that the broker have high liquidity, better liquidity, so they'll have better spreads, and they should be registered in your local countries, that is your host countries, and they should have a support service that should be 24 hours, so that if you have a problem you can contact them using their phone or chat or even the email. Also, you should choose a broker that have low spreads, and the spreads should be competitive and consistent regardless of the speed of the market or when you execute your trades. The level of leverage offered by a broker and the relative margin requirements should be considered while choosing also a broker, and you should choose a broker with a good leverage. If you have less capital, you should select a leverage that is low, maybe 1:50 or 1:100. Also, the broker should have a number of currency pairs for you to trade. You should avoid those brokers who offer or guarantee extremely high returns. And also, you should prefer brokers who have deposit and withdraw processes, and the withdraw and the deposit processes should be easy and flexible for you to be able to move your money around. Another factor is that you should avoid those brokers who offer or guarantee extremely high returns, because many of them are scammers. Prefer those brokers that are there to teach you more about forex and the basics of forex. Once you have chosen your broker, you need to open a forex account, and this is the process that I'll show you a step by step on how you'll select your brokers. They require you to provide some personal details like your name, address, your age, your date of birth, citizenship details, employment status, proof of address, your identity number, and so many more. As you can see here, guys, you can see that FXTM has been rated 93%, and Octaforex 92%. XM, which I normally use, has been rated 91%. Here are some of the brokers that you can use that have a low spread. We have FXTM, XM, and so many others. FBS, I've used FBS before. I also use Fresh Forex. I'll show you later in the video. I also use Avatrade and so many more. There are so many traders. You have to choose one. You cannot choose all the brokers. You can choose a couple of brokers, like 2 or 3, that you can open your accounts with. And one thing, you have to select a broker that provides an MT4 and an MT5 and an MT5 platform. That's a trading platform. You should install it in your Apple Store or your Play Store. You should, let's see, those brokers that provide low spreads, because those are the best for you to choose among the many brokers that are out here. As you can see here, guys, we have FXTM, Octaforex, XM, and there are so many. You can choose FBS, RoboForex, and this one Xness. I usually use this Xness to do my trades because they have stayed here for over a decade now. So let me show you how you can open an account with XM. This is XM. They trade, as you can see, they are saying they trade forex, stocks, CFD, stock indices, oil, and gold on MT4 and MT5 platforms with the leverage of up to 1:888. So if you have high capital, you can you can trade with that leverage, and they also provide bonuses when you first come to their site. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can sign into the XM broker. You can open a real account in an you can use an MT4 platform, MT5 or XM web trader. You can also open a demo account that you can play around with, and when you play around with the demo, you can practice if you are a beginner, and practice makes perfect, so you'll become a profitable trader. Remember, in trading, you don't have always to be right, you have to be profitable using a good strategy. You can see they are trading over 1000 plus trading instruments, and they have 1:1, 1:888 leverage, as I said earlier. So that's it with XM, and I'll show you how you when you press that open an account, it will take you, for those who are registering a real account, it will take you to this window where you have here, just put your first name, your middle name, your last name, country of residence, your preferred language, phone number, email, and here you'll choose if you prefer to trade with MetaTrader 4, you choose MetaTrader 4, and if you prefer MetaTrader 5, you choose MetaTrader 5. I love MetaTrader 5 because it has a lot of currency pairs and other things. And then here, choose this standard lot, and then agree. After agreeing, proceed to step 2, and right here at the right and at the left top corner, when you have already signed up all the details, you'll see upload documents. You upload the documents so that you can get verified for you to be able to trade. And when you sign up, it will take you to this page. It's called the members area. Here at the members area, you'll see that here are some of the deposit methods that are there, and they are the same ones that are there in the withdrawal process. We have Visa, your credit cards. You can deposit using your credit cards, Krill method, Netela, AstroPay, BitPay, Web Money, and M-Pesa for those who are in Kenya. Here is the members area, and then after depositing, you take the account details to your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. If it's MetaTrader 5, you come here at MetaTrader 5. It looks like this. These are some of the currencies pair that are there. So you can see here, like this Euro USD, you can see that it's reading a spread here, down here, spread of 19, and the spread is the difference between this is the bid price and this is the asking price. So that is the difference, and as you can see here, it is 1.07077, and here is 1.07096. when you subtract the two, you'll see that the spread is 19. The spread has to be constant, as I said earlier, for you to determine a good broker. As you can see, this is the MetaTrader 5. This is where you can do your analysis and then take your trades. Here you can buy, as you can see, you can sell and you can buy. Put your take profit, your stop loss, and the other things I'll show you in my next video. This is the MetaTrader 5. You can compare to other let's compare it to MetaTrader 4. That was the XM. Let's see other. This is MetaTrader 4, and this is Fresh Forex broker. As you can see, there's a difference between Fresh Forex and XM. In Fresh Forex, the spread is 2, and the spread is low. And as you can see here, this is the trading part where you can do your analysis. You can do your analysis here for you to be able to trade, and here you can select and see they are giving us Forex Classic and other things. You can choose the pairs that you want, and basically that's it for today. That's how you can choose your broker. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about Forex trading and also cryptocurrencies, and see you in the next one.